हेलो माय क्यूट लेडीज एंड स्वीट जेंटलमैन। सो मैं आशा कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग ठीक हो और आपके रिएक्टर तो बिल्कुल ठीक है। लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। सो टुडे आई एम गोना रिएक्ट ऑन अ ट्रेलर and the series name is Girl from Nowhere, The Reset. I literally reacted on the teaser before you can see it on my channel. I reacted on the teaser. So today I'm gonna react on an official trailer. So let's see what kind of series this gonna be. Okay. Oh. Did that guy literally peed on this guy? Like, is this a bully concept? Like, what is happening here? I have to say this, like, I didn't know there was a season 1 of, like, Girl from Nowhere. If you wanted me to react on it, so you can tell me in the comment section. This Thai series is so different. Like, I usually don't, watch things other than BL, and nowadays I'm interested into GL too. So yeah, like, this is my, like, first time seeing this kind of series from Thailand. And first of all, like, I did watch a lot of, old lacoons from Thailand. So it's not, I don't know what kind of state series they produce, but this is very new. Okay, Nanona. Whoa, her smile is so creepy. This is kind of giving the bully and the revenge kind of vibe to me. I think Nanona brother or somebody got, hurt, and now she's for revenge. Whoa. Whoa, she literally put the phone under her skirt and I'm scared. Like, whoa, this is my first time watching something like this. Okay. I'm pretty sure things gonna be messy in this one. This series is so messy. I think this was the whole, like, trailer, and I'm speechless about it. Like, I don't know, like, what kind of reaction I should give on this one, because first of all, I was trying to understand what was happening into the trailer. Like, I think the bullying happened, and then Nanona is here to take revenge from like, people who bullied her family or somebody she loved, or maybe she's here to teach bullies a lesson. I don't know, like, it was like so, mysterious on the places. I cannot print it out. Like, it's so dangerous to me. Like, the way she literally put the phone under her skirt and, like, looking so scary. And then she's like, everything's like comes back and everything have a consequences. I was like, that is very true. Like, if you, first of all, like, I literally hate, bullying. I hate when people do the bullying and things like it. It is the shittiest thing somebody can do to somebody. So of course it is kind of, thing I do want to watch it. If you want to see my reaction on it, you can tell me in the comment section. I'm very glad to have a reaction on this one because it's kind of very scary and at the same time very interesting. So yeah, if you love my reaction, please subscribe to the channel so I can know you're liking the content, like the video, share the video to the people who love watching reaction channel, and comment down below if you want to see me reacting on any Thai series, BL, GL, or anything on this channel, or like if you want to see my reaction on the first season of this series, I'm gonna do it too if you want me to do. So yeah, please tell me in the comment section. I know, hope you loved the reaction, and we are on 62 subscribers now. So I hope every day like the subscribers increase more. So bye bye baby. I love you all.